Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Windows script host error problem. So firstly, let's go to this search bar and write here CMD and choose Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Now you have to write here SFC space / scan now. Hit enter. It will take some time, so you can let it do here. We can minimize it and go to the next step. The next step is going here this search bar again and right here registry editor, choose open, click on yes. Now you have to click on H key current user, the first one, sorry. On very first option, the second option you can see here, H key current user, double click on this, and then you have to click on software, then go to Microsoft, this one Microsoft, double click on this. Now you have to go to Windows, let's find Windows, this one, double click on this Windows. Now you have to click on Windows script host, this one you can see Windows script host, double click on this and then go to settings. You can see here the settings at very first option, click on, double click on settings, and then you can see here one option only, default. And so if there is a option called enabled, then you don't need to create it, but if there isn't enabled option, you have to create one enable option. How you can do this? Right click, hover mouse on new, now click on door 32-bit, choose this one, and you have to write here enabled. So I'm renaming this enabled, 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 and you have to make this score 1. Okay, so double click on this enabled and make this score 1 and then click on OK. Your work is complete here, but if you already found enabled here, then you don't need to create it, but if you don't found this, you have to create it like this. Then go to the next step. The next step is going here and you have to go to H key class root, which is the very first option, H key class root, double click on this and you have to find here .vbs. So go to that V section and then you may find this. Here we found that VBS or .vbs, double click on this. Now you have to click here this default option under VBS option. Then you must check this value data, which should be VBS file. If there is anything without this VBS file, you have to rewrite this VBS file, then you have to click on OK. Now you can cross this and go to the next step. The next step is you have to download one thing, which is Microsoft Safety Scanner. So how you can download this? Double click and go to your browser and just write here Microsoft Safety Scanner. Click on the first link, Microsoft Safety Scanner download. Scroll down and you'll find two options, 32-bit and 64-bit. It check your system. If your system is 32-bit, then download this. If your system or computer is 64-bit, then you have to click on this. So how you can check this? Go to here this search bar and write here system information, and then click on this, and you'll find here your system type, which is x64 based PC. Okay, so how you can this is how you can see this. So my one is 64-bit, so I will just click on this and download from here. All right, after completing this, click on this file icon or folder icon. Then you have to double click on this, click on yes, click on this icon, click on accept all terms and conditions, next again. Make sure you are switching on this. Ha. Now click on next again and let it work. You can just minimize it here and go to the next step, and the next step is again going here and write registry editor, click on open, or you can click on this registry editor, click on yes. You can just close these things like this, and you have to click on HKey local machine. So the third option is this HKey local machine. Then click on software. Now go to Microsoft, double click on Microsoft, and then click on Windows NIT or Windows NT. Double click, and then you'll find current version. Click on current version. Then you have to click on WinLog, which is in W section. WinLog on this one. Double click on this, and you have to find user NIT. Here's the user NIT. You have to delete all of these files under this user NIT option. So here's the user NIT. You have to delete this one, Win Station disabled. You can just delete this one and delete all of this which is under user NIT. Okay, so after that, double click this user NIT and make sure that your value data is this like this. See Windows System user NIT.exe. Okay, so just click on OK, and then you have to restart your computer. Let it work. After it's all done, you have to restart your computer and check back that your issues will be fixed. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.